Anxious and excited locals gathered in the early hours to have a look at the elephant that strayed from a bigger group.
Okay, fine.
Security officials shot in the air as they tried to scare the animal away from the main road back to the protected area where it belongs. Meanwhile, police and armed officers said they wanted the animal to return to the national park as there was a risk that it could be killed and its meat sold by some people.
And since it is a male, it must be looking for another group. It has been chased from the other one. That's why it is alone, it is moving. But as it was moving, it climbed up in the mountain. And as it climbed, during daytime it lost its way back to the park.
The Uganda Wildlife Authority also deployed its wardens in the operation. Many of the people who gathered said they wanted to satisfy their curiosity as they had never seen such a huge beast.
So we are really amazed so much to see a huge, very big elephant within our community. And that's the reason as to why we are here. We've come to see this huge, big animal.
A Wildlife Authority officer said they had provided security for the elephant when they received information from the police that the animal had strayed and was facing danger.
But the most important thing right now, we have to manage the community. The community here, there are many, so we have to manage them to make the elephant not to get stressed. Because as it gets stressed, it starts to getting disorganized on the way.
The animal could have come from either Birunga National Park in the DRC or Queen Elizabeth National Park that neighbors Bwera town.